Hello, I'm Debbie from Bit Banners, and today I'm going to show you how to create a static banner design. I'm going to show you how to create a 300 x 250 pixels rectangular banner. So let's select our rectangle shape, and you will see here the width and the height. Now normally we would want the width to be 300. If we do that and then add a border, it will come up as 301, which is too large. So we need to put 299 for the width, and we want the height to be 250. We type in 249. Okay, so we're 1 pixel less on both the width and the height that we require. Then we can add a 1 pixel border. And now if I select all, you can see we have a 300 by 250 pixels. Perfect. As you can see, I have a black background here, which I'm going to change to white. And for the moment, I'm going to keep that black 1 pixel border. Now, when you're designing for a client, generally they will provide for your logo and images of the products that they want to be displayed in your banner. In this case, I'm going to start completely from scratch for you. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find a picture. Now, it's summertime. I'm thinking flowers. So let's go across to a resource that provides 3 free PNG images for you to use each day. So let's go and check out the flowers. I've looked at this one. Not too sure. Let's go back. Let's close that. Okay, and let's search for flowers. See what else we can find. Okay. Let's have a sunflower. Nothing quite as beautiful as a sunflower. So we'll click on the sunflower, and I want to download. I have a free download, which I'm going to use. Let's close this. And close this, and my download is there. It came down in this corner. Hopefully you did see it, or maybe not. Now I'm going to import that into my banner. So file, import. I'm going to go to downloads, and there it is. So open that up. It's asking me to reduce the size on import. It's obviously a large file, so let's do that. Oh, and there we go. Beautiful big sunflower. We can make that smaller. Now, I'm just going to show you, we can make that smaller, but depending on where you position it, it has a large transparent background on it. So if I was to just show you here now, okay, it's taken at 11 pixels too wide. Although that's not visible on the picture, it looks like it's inside. Actual size is bigger. So what I like to do to give myself more working space and to make absolutely certain that this picture is going to be sitting perfectly is I like to just crop as close as I can into the edges so that I can make it as small as possible to work it in with my design, and of course faster loading Okay, so there we have the sunflower, and for the moment I'm going to just pop him in the centre. It looks to me, I mean all screens are different, but this most definitely looks to me as if it needs to be sharpened slightly, so I can select this little camera icon here and come over to here and I can sharpen it. Is that looking a bit better? I think it is. Yep. Okay. Shall we make it a little bit brighter as well? You see, you can do all these things in the one program. You don't have to have another program to be able to create these things, and that's the same for animation, which I will show you in another tutorial another time. Okay, click save. It does save automatically, but I like to save as I go along. I like to be absolutely certain about absolutely everything. Usually if you're designing for a client, you would have a logo saved to your computer, which you could import now in the same way as we imported our sunflower. But as I said before, we're starting from scratch, and if you don't have a logo, then Bit Banners can create one for you, and in this case I'm going to create a little logo here now for you for our imaginary sunflower shop. Because it's a sunny day here today in the southeast of England and we have a sunflower, I think we can maybe call it Sunny Days. Let's be a little bit creative with that. So, sunny day. Okay, now I'd like day to come over this way a bit more. So let's move it along. There we go. Sunny day. Okay, that's sitting nice under the wine. Sunny. Okay, happy with that. So now we have sunny day. And I'm going to have a Z for the days. So let's do a nice big Z. We want that to be here. I'm literally making this up as I go along, so I hope you will bear with me. A little bit more funky. I do work from home, and I think you just heard my little dog say hello to you all. Okay, so I want to make this Z a little bit more funky, as I was saying. So I'm going to change the font. I want to change it for, I don't know, something that's a bit, let's have a look. Maybe, oh, no, definitely not. No. Let's keep taking that a look. Well, you know, let's go for that one. Just for now. Just for the sake of it. There we go. So now I want to push that in there, and you can see if you just pick this up and move this around. It's all very simple. And I'm going to pop it there. Okay. And I think we can maybe make the Z. Let's just go for let's go for a pink. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. It's simple, it's straightforward. I'm showing you exactly how to do it, so that's all good. Now I'm going to group this. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to, arrange, my apologies. I'm going to arrange, and I'm going to group that, so that becomes one item. Now we can move it around altogether. So let's pop our logo here. Okay, sunny days. And I think we'll move our sunflower There we go. Another thing I like to do, I'm just going to save, that we can do here, and it's another technique I can show you. We can Control K, and I can produce more of these sunflowers, okay? And we can make them a bit smaller, and just pop them around, wherever we want to pop them. Yeah. Maybe like that. Okay. So let's add a simple bit of text to this banner. So perfect. Sunflowers. Okay, we can drop that here. I'm going to keep that very simple. And now I'm going to show you how to create a call to action. So again, let's take the rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle and put a line around it. Okay. Reduce the height. Put a curve on the corner. We can increase the curve or reduce the curve. Okay, I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller here. And we can pop it here. Okay, there we go. And let's make that the same pink. Now, I'm not quite sure exactly what pink I used, so I'm just going to go to this colour picker, pop it on there, and that's brought up the right colour for me. Then if I want to, I can add that as a name. So I'm going to put just pink and create that. That will appear over here. Now for our call to action, we'll type click here. So I'll centre that. That's centred there. And I've got the font impact over here. So let's type click here. Have it in white, as you can see down here. And now we can nudge this down and make it nice and neat and tidy. There we go. Perfect. And let's give this button a pink outline as well. There we go. Okay. We can group this together. Arrange group. And there we have it. The button can be moved wherever you'd like it to be. I'm going to leave it there. Okay. And there you have it. Now I'm going to export this static banner that we've just created here. I've selected all the items and now I will put File, Export, and you can see I have it there. I've exported it as Sunny Flower. Okay, so let's go and have a look at what it looks like. Now it's finished, so let's go to the Files and YouTube, and there we have it. Double click. And there it is, our sunny days. Perfect sunflowers. Click here. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you can excuse my dog, and I do think you may have heard my microwave ping, but as I said before, I do work from home. I've enjoyed doing this with you today. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and come on over to Bit Banners and contact me there. Thank you.